Get the camera to focus. That's supposed to be the very best of the Beach Boys. Sounds of Summer there. Get the camera to focus. There it goes. Yeah, who it is. And the Capitol Records, yeah. Alright, what else we got? Check out the inside of the gatefold. We have on here side A. All the songs on the side E. Side B. I would love to play these, but if YouTube will let me, there, I don't know how strict YouTube is on the copyright music and stuff there. Shoot. This is side C here. You got A, B, and side C. With that side D here, there's 4 records. I play these on my JVC because I have a record player. I got a JVC. Alright, that's the inlay of the trap for the gatefold. See what the records look like. This is just a sleeve. The sleeve inside the record here. Yeah, some pictures of the band. Put that back there so we can see it real good. This is the other side of this leaflet. Here's one of the records. Let's see, that's in a paper sleeve there. In the paper sleeve. That's the thing, yeah. Okay. It's just a regular black vinyl pressing. Nothing special except for this part right here, yep. Which is yellow and orange. It's one of the 4. There's 2 records there. This is one of the 2. What's the other side of the record? Side B. Summer. Alright, the side B on this. That's the other record. This record, disc 2, yep. Yep. I don't know what side lead or something down there. The sides D, whoops, side C. Sorry about that. Here's the side C. Yep, side C. The other side was side D, this is side C. Sorry about that. There we go, now we got it right. That's disc 2. Disc 2 of the Beach Boys. The very best of the Beach Boys. Sounds of Summer. Alright. Anymore, it's pretty good. Pretty good. I wish I could play these. I don't know how straight YouTube is. Alright. Alright. But I don't know, I say this is a pretty good vinyl record collection there, yep. From the Beach Boys, if you like the Beach Boys. I know just go back a little bit, cause it's before my time, so. Alright. Okie dokie. I think that's about it. Alright.